just looking around here. So today's video I'm going to be racing two of these monster trucks here down the stairs with these two launchers here, and my aunt's going to be filming this. So say hi, Fifi. Alright, anyway guys, let's get started here. Please like, subscribe, and look around. Let's get started. So we got Gravedigger versus Blue Thunder first. So we'll launch Gravedigger and Blue Thunder first here. I'm going to put this right here so you guys can see the action. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Well, looks like Gravedigger has won that because he went the furthest and I didn't explain the rules. Or whoever I guess makes it to the bottom, I guess wins. So Gravedigger wins that one. Alright, so Gravedigger is the winner. Blue Thunder unfortunately is out, so sorry about that. My pulse is maybe as a two-part maybe here where you'll see this video first and then you see my aunt's perspective from it too. That's the second and last part here. Alright. Gravedigger wins. Thunder's out of here. Round 2. Avenger versus the Gears and Galaxies Earthshaker here. Put Earthshaker right here. Avenger right here. Put him right here. Camera right here. You guys can see it. Alright, ready, y'all? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, looks like our winner for this one is Earthshaker. He has won because he made it to the bottom, and I guess the furthest as well, if you want to call it that. Billy made it to the bottom there. Sorry, Avenger, but you're on. This is the pickup truck 1 too. So, Gears and Galaxies Earthshaker is your winner today. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Next 2 here. We got Pirates Curse Galaxies versus Monster Mapoodle here. He is kind of dirty, isn't he? Alright, anyway. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. And it looks like Monster Mapoodle won that race because she made it down to the bottom. Go. Oh. Alright. Guess I do have to go so yeah, I'm gonna keep climbing up and down or whatever. Alright, anyway. Alright. Monster Mapoodle's there. Alright, next 2. Rotozer, Scooby-Doo here. Put Scooby-Doo right here. Rotozer right here. And let's see who wins this race. Alright, anyway. So started. 3, 2, 1, go! And it looks like Scooby-Doo won because he went the furthest down the stairs. Sorry, and look, he even landed a wheelie too. That was cool. Scooby-Doo wins. Alright. Well. Sorry, my owl was doing that. Alright, we might substitute one of these for these here if we don't have a competitor here. Our next one here is Monster Husky versus Dragon. So Dragon first will be here. Monster Husky will be right here. Here we go. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. And the winner is Dragon because he made it down there, the furthest. What?
I am finished because I want to go. I can't wait yet. Long time.
Sorry about that. Since Dragon doesn't have a competitor next round, we're going to substitute Monster Rottweiler for him. So now we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 trucks left. Here we go. Start off with Gravedigger. This is Earthshaker in the quarterfinals here. And we'll go to the semifinals after that. So we'll put Gravedigger right here versus Gears and Galaxies Earthshaker right here. Put this right here. And let's start filming in 3, 2, 1. And the Gravedigger Purple Tires is your winner. So you will go on to the semi-final round. Good job, Gravedigger. So who's going to be facing off Gravedigger in the next semi-final round between these two dogs here? We got Scooby-Doo versus Monster Poodle. Here we go. Scooby-Doo right here. Monster Poodle right here. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. And looks like Monster Poodle wins because she went the furthest. So Monster Poodle is your winner for this one. All right, now Monster Poodle will be facing off in the semi-final round, and also welcome to the semi-final round now. So we'll start off this battle here between Dragon versus Monster Rottweiler here. Here we go. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. And your winner for that race is Dragon, the Monster Rottweiler. Alright, so Monster Rottweiler. Dragon will go on the finals, but who will he face against? Gravedigger with Purple Tires or Monster Poodle here? Let's find out. Here we go. I'm situated here. Here we go. Put it right here. Ready to start in 3, 2, 1. And it looks like Monster Poodle has won that race against Gravedigger, so sorry Gravedigger, but before she lost though. So sorry for not explaining the rules earlier about it. Alright, so Gravedigger loses, so we're in the final round now. So alright, now here's the final round. Dragon versus Monster Poodle. Leave your comments down below in this video if you think Dragon's gonna win. And also leave your comments down below if you think Monster Poodle's gonna win, or like it if you want. Alright, wait. So final round, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. And your winner of this race is Monster Poodle. And let me get that up here. Dragon over 2. Alright, so Monster Poodle is your winner for this race. And also, yeah, Roger Dollar's your dog in this race because this is one from Monster, so he's out there. Monster Poodle is your winner. So, well, I hope you all enjoyed that video of me racing Monster and trucks down the stairs. This is from my aunt's perspective, and then me recording from my perspective of it. If you all enjoyed it, please like, subscribe to Looking Around. Do all those notifications. Anyway, guys, Looking Around sign out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Leave that the camera.